Hello friends, welcome to Sandy's Reiki Care. Hope you all are doing fine. Friends, have you ever faced this problem of not being able to sleep quickly? Well, I think there is nothing worse than not being able to fall asleep or keep on waking up constantly throughout the night, isn't it? Now, this sleep deprivation can lead to issues such as heart disease, kidney problems, high blood pressure, anxiety, depression, and all these things can happen. Not everyone realizes the importance of quality sleep, but it is as crucial as exercise and healthy eating. You know, roughly 1 in 3 adults worldwide have insomnia symptoms. In India itself, 1/3 of India's population is suffering from severe insomnia. When I say the word insomnia, what does it really mean? It is a sleep disorder, as you all know. Now, what happens here? There is a difficulty in falling asleep and staying asleep. Then what is it that causes this problem? There could be a change in your waking up and sleep pattern due to your change in jobs, or there could be jet lag, or there could be some chronic problem, chronic pain in your body. One could be suffering from asthma. There could be psychological problems like anxiety, depression. When all this happens, it affects the circadian rhythm of the body, which decides your wake up and sleep patterns. Another big problem faced by people is overactive mind. This is a very common problem I keep hearing from everyone, that they can't sleep because they're thinking too much about their jobs, their families, their relationships. Now, once you understand what is the cause of insomnia, then you can take appropriate steps. Now, today I'm going to share few ways how you can get rid of this problem. And if you follow them, I guarantee you will be able to fall asleep faster. First way is you must always keep your phone in another room. When you keep it beside you, what happens is you're tempted to look before sleeping at night, and also if you wake up during the night. And immediately you just switch on, and that light is going to fall on your face, your eyes are going to be disturbed, and then it is going to affect your melatonin production, which signals the body that whether you're ready for sleep or not. Another very nice way to fall asleep is to sniff lavender oil. You can just put it on some cotton or something and keep it under your pillow or just besides on your side table. And when you keep on getting that scent, it is going to keep your mind relaxed. You can also spray your room with lavender spray. This will also help you to relax. It will lower your blood pressure and it will keep your mind clear. Another thing you should follow is have a regular sleep pattern. If you tend to always go to bed at different times, this can mess up your sleep cycle. Do go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. Next, very important advice I would like to give is use your bedroom only for sleeping. If you work from home or you bring some work at your place, don't do it in your bedroom. If you do, your mind will associate it with work and keep your mind active. So keep your bedroom only for sleeping. Another very important tip, which mostly people overlook, keep clocks out of your view. If you feel more anxious as you watch the minutes go by when you're trying to get some sleep, what to do then? Try not to think about the fact that you can't get sleep. Instead, work on relaxation techniques like deep breathing, or you can do box breathing where you inhale to the count of 4, hold your breath to the count of 4, exhale to the count of 4, and again hold to the count of 4. This kind of box when you make with your breath, it is going to keep your mind very relaxed. Next technique I'm going to share with you is read a book. Reading a book before you go to sleep helps your mind off your daily stress and will keep you relaxed. Even if you wake up in the middle of the night and are awake for more than half an hour, use a dim side table lamp and read a book. It'll help you get back to sleep. Next, avoid long daytime naps. Try to skip those naps. If you don't sleep in the afternoons, you're going to get a wonderful sleep at night. Another important technique is practice meditation before sleeping. This helps the melatonin level and helps the brain to feel sleepy. Another habit, very important habit, we also avoid doing it, is to write down your to-do list before going to bed. Many people are not able to sleep because they are worried about what they have to do the next day. So to avoid, one should write down the tasks which you have kept ready, you want to do it the next day. Write them on a piece of paper and this will keep you focused for the next day. Your mind will be totally relaxed. It knows what it has to do the next day. Isn't it easy? Isn't it easy to just get out of this problem of not getting sleep? So I hope you have loved these tips, follow them, and also share it with your friends and family so that they can also enjoy good health. So, as I said, like, share, and subscribe to Sandy's Reiki Care for more. I shall be back with you for more such helpful videos. Bye for now.